Hello guys, welcome to Daily Dose by Finity. Pandemic has emphasized the need for proper health insurance plans for every individual and their family members. Here are few factors that affect the premium of healthcare plans. Existing medical history. A person with poor medical history has to pay a higher premium due to the higher risk involved and the probability of higher payout. Type of healthcare. If an individual is covered under a good insurance plan, the premium amount will be lower compared to an individual plan or a family floater plan. Age. Lower the age, lower the premium amount. As the age of a person increases, the chances of multiple health issues also increases. Occupation or profession. If a person is involved in a high-risk profession, the amount of premium to be paid will be higher. Current habits. Smoking causes many health issues and hence smokers are considered to be high-risk individuals as compared to a non-smoker. Body Mass Index (BMI). A person having a higher BMI is viewed to be a higher risk candidate for various diseases like diabetes, blood pressure, etc., hence a higher premium. Gender. Women are presumed to be susceptible to more chronic ailments, thus a higher premium to be paid for women applicants. Marital status. If the applicant is married, insurers tend to lower the premium as compared to single. Location. Certain locations demand higher premium based on the factors like climatic conditions, better amenities, etc. Past health insurance. A first-time buyer of insurance is likely to be charged more premium as compared to a person already having insurance. Hope these points help. For more tips like these, follow our YouTube channel and Instagram page. Happy investing!